Are Basset Hounds smart dogs? Basset Hounds are relatively intelligent, but they can be difficult to train because they are independent and can be stubborn. They have a very keen sense of smell, so they are very good at nose work. Are Basset Hounds good for beginners? Basset Hounds may not be the easiest companion, especially if you're a first-time pet owner. They're intelligent and stocky dogs that can quickly become a handful if they're not properly stimulated and socialized. What issues do Basset Hounds have? Basset Hounds can be prone to glaucoma, thrombopathia, and bloat. All breeds have particular health tendencies, and the major ones for Bassets include glaucoma, some blood disorders including thrombopathia, and bloat. Can Basset Hounds be left during the day? Although Basset Hounds are generally well-behaved when left alone, they love company. You should never leave your dog alone for any longer than 4 hours, as this could make them stressed and affect their well-being. How far away can a Basset Hound smell? Other breeds were meant to be house companions, and therefore, their sense of smell is less potent. In the right conditions, which considers air direction and scent type, dogs can smell as far as 20 kilometers, 12.4 miles. It means that dogs have one of the most potent noses in the animal world. Can Basset Hounds swim? Basset Hounds have a dense bone structure and short legs. They can still hunt and track inland as long as there's no water in the way. Although they can swim, they aren't really good at it. They carry 2/3 of their entire body weight in the front of their body, and that makes it difficult for them to stay afloat. Can Basset Hounds jump? Like all other dogs, Basset Hounds are fully capable of jumping. However, with their short legs, stocky build, and long spines, it's rarely a good idea for them to do so. Is Basset Hound a lazy dog? The Basset is very calm to the point of seeming lazy, but he's quite alert and has a deep, scary voice, so he will bark when he senses an intruder, which makes him an ideal watchdog. Are girl or boy Basset Hounds better? For the Basset Hound, it doesn't really matter if you choose a male or female. Unlike some breeds, there is little difference in temperament and trainability of a male versus female Basset Hound. Are Basset Hounds protective? A Basset Hound is patient and very tolerant of noise and lots of activity. A Basset Hound is loyal and protective of his family and will look out for your children. Can Basset Hounds be trained not to bark? Firstly, there are a number of deterrence measures you can take to try and silence him. You can then use obedience commands to first teach him how to bark on command, so you can then teach him how to fall silent. If your Basset Hound is a puppy, he should still be learning the ropes and eager to please. Do Basset Hounds bark all the time? Basset Hounds bark quite a lot. They have a very loud, baying-like bark, and they use it when they are excited or frustrated. They drool and can be smelly because of their skin and ears. Are Basset Hounds hard to train? The independent Basset Hound has a reputation for being harder to train than some more eager-to-please breeds. Training your Basset means understanding his motivation to use his nose and his need for establishing behaviors through repetition and strong leadership.